Hey, the Keys Motorsports just sent me this. Just sent them my carbon fiber front lips. This is XLV style, something like that. But it's pretty cool. I'm gonna install it. And then also, is no one doing these videos, install this M3 converter bumper with the front lips installation. So we're gonna start it from here. And show you guys when we finish what it looks like. So we measured it and then put a 1 screws on all the tape. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like. On this side it's a little bit off. Later I will take it off all the zip ties in there. And then we fix this and show you guys what the final looks like. Me and my friends managed this to put it on. You can see the filaments on this side. Looks nice. On this side. We're not screw on finished yet, but I just show you guys right now. You see what I'm saying? They're looking more aggressive right away. Oops, sorry.
You don't keep taking that.
Well, now I'm finished. Looks awesome. See the filaments? Nice.
Que te saque aí fumando tu blunt.
No.
What? Roll a blunt? Keys Motorsports. You can find that lips there. I have a link in the below. Keys Motorsports. This is a carbon fiber lips. Nice.